Hi, I'm Mike Gubby. Welcome to Mike's on Site. I'm here with Lucy today. Lucy from Lucy Lorraine Skincare here in Bundoora, which is where I live. And this is actually where my wife goes to get her. I'm actually not sure what she gets here. Can you explain?
Many things.
Like what?
Oh, we do lashes and some waxing.
Okay.
It looks beautiful for you.
Yeah, well, it sure does. It looks fantastic. So I'm a little bit frightened to go inside, but I had to go inside and do the blinds for Lucy. So let's go in and have a look. Before we go in, the plantation shutter that we're going to show you was actually one of our new plantation shutter kits, and I had Lucy actually build the plantation shutter. So how did you find that, building the shutter?
Yeah, it was really simple. I just followed the instructions and it was really straightforward.
Well, it's certainly come out really good. So let's go and have a look and see what we did. All right, so here, Liz. So this is the plantation shutter that Lucy built here. This is one of our shutter kits, and you can see this kit is in the simple U-channel design. So all we had to do, or all Lucy did, was built the actual plantation shutter, and then we just used double-sided tape to stick the U-channel in at the top of the bottom, and then to install it, we just lifted it in the top and you just dropped it down, and it went really good. So I think it looks really quite nice. So
yeah, super easy.
Yeah, so what we tried to do was just freshen up, I guess, the front area here and just make it look really appealing. So secondary to that, I actually did the sheer curtains. There's a couple of things that I just want to explain to you what I did here. The first thing was that these curtains are what we call free floating. So you can see I can get them to go to the right, I can get them to go to the left, I can get them to sit in the middle, and of course I can push them either side like that. So that's a free floating curtain. That's the barley fabric. Do you remember what colour we used for that one there?
Cloud.
Cloud, okay. Cloud, was it? Okay, cool. So, and it looks like the cloud too, so that's one of the really popular sellers here. I think it's, it's come out really cool. So Charlotte, can I just get you to step back a little bit, because I just want to show everybody exactly what we did here. This sheer curtain here is a bit of a hamburger with a lot. We've got free floating, we've got center open, and we've also offset the center. So Lucy, I'm just going to show you what I've done. So this curtain comes to there, which is where the door is. So that's where we measured for curtain number 1. So you can see we can sweep this one across, and that's also free floating, so you've got plenty of flexibility there. And then we did another curtain. If I can just close that door, we've done this curtain for you, Lucy, and that one comes over to there. So that's where the curtains meet. So this is where our center open is, but that curtain there is bigger than what this curtain here is, and that's just that offset. This curtain here is also free floating for you, Lucy. So when you want to get into the corner to vacuum that corner there, you can see we can push the curtain right out of the way. And in fact, you could even go all the way over to that side there. So you've got heaps of flexibility with the curtains. I hope you like it.
I love them, they're perfect.
Yeah, it's come out really well. So thanks, Lucy, for joining me on this video, and thanks for watching, everyone. If you do like the information that we've put on the video and you've enjoyed this, you're in Bundoora, come and see Lucy. Otherwise, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. Of course, leave any comments and I'll answer those personally for you. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks.